India's biggest NPA case under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code has gone all the way to the Supreme Court, and the verdict from the Supreme Court has been very clear. If Arcelor Mittal and Numetal have to become eligible to bid for Essar Steel, then they have to clear all the dues linked to the NPA companies. Now, what I'm given to understand from sources is that the CoC, which is the Committee of Creditors of Essar Steel, has sent a letter to both Arcelor Mittal as well as Numetal post the Supreme Court verdict, because they don't want to waste any time. And let's not forget that it's only a 2-week timeline within which the dues have to be paid. Otherwise, you are left with only Vedanta in the race. And that 2-week timeline ends on 18th October. That's the reason why the CoC doesn't want to take any chances and has written to both Arcelor Mittal and Numetal saying that if there is any lack of clarity as far as the exact quantum of dues is concerned, then you can write to us and we'll tell you exactly how much you have to pay. Now, keep this in mind that while all this is going on, there are also two other players who are aggressively looking at solo bids. There's JSW Steel and also there is Russia's VTB. So these are two other players that are in the race along with Vedanta. The reason why the CoC has written to both Arcelor Mittal and Numetal is that post the Supreme Court verdict, there's been a lot of lack of clarity regarding the exact quantum of dues. A lot of figures are floating around. Arcelor Mittal was supposed to pay around $1 billion linked to both KSS Petron and Uttam Galva. And Numetal has been asked to pay the dues of not only Essar Steel but also all the Essar Group companies which are NPS and linked to the promoters. So this is going to be good news for the lenders, definitely, if the dues are paid and both these players become eligible. But let's wait and watch to see whether or not the dues are paid and if anybody drops out of the race. That's the latest that we're picking up on the race for Essar Steel.